Updating your legal name on Grubhub is an important step if you've recently changed your name. Follow these simple steps to ensure your account reflects your new legal name. Step 1. Log into your Grubhub account. Open the Grubhub app or website and log into your account using your existing credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select personal information. In the account settings menu, look for the option labeled personal information or account information. Click on this to access your name details. Step 4. Update your legal name. Find the field that displays your current name. Delete the old name and enter your new legal name in the appropriate fields. Make sure to double check for any spelling errors. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new name, look for the Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to ensure your changes are applied to your account. Once you've completed these steps, your legal name on Grubhub should be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Grubhub customer support for assistance.